Hey guys, it's Alicia Soyakawa with Alicia and Company at Long & Foster, and I'm excited to present 9505 Newhall Road today. It's just off Three Chopt Road in Parham in a premium location. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath ranch home with a detached 2-car garage. Come take a look. Thanks so much for coming by to check out this beautiful home today. If you'd like to schedule a private showing, please do so. And it's definitely not going to be on the market long, so definitely call soon.